How does Apple Pay work? Transfer money. Apple Pay has changed the way millions of people pay for things, from groceries to train tickets to apps. But did you know you can also use Apple Pay to send and receive money? That's right. With just your iPhone, you can transfer money to friends, family, or even split a bill all within the Messages app. So, how does it work? Let's walk through everything you need to know about how Apple Pay handles money transfers. What is Apple Pay? Apple Pay is Apple's digital wallet and mobile payment service. It lets you make contactless payments at stores, buy online and in apps, and send money person to person using Apple Cash. Think of Apple Pay as a secure bridge that connects your credit or debit card to your iPhone or Apple Watch. When it comes to sending money, Apple Pay uses a feature called Apple Cash, a digital card that lives in your wallet app. Step 1. Set up Apple Pay and Apple Cash. To start using Apple Pay for money transfers, you need to 1. Have an iPhone or Apple device with iOS 11.2 or later. 2. Add a debit card to your Apple Wallet. 3. Enable Apple Cash. To enable Apple Cash, go to Settings, Wallet and Apple Pay. Toggle on Apple Cash. Follow the setup steps. It may require identity verification. Once Apple Cash is active, you're ready to send and receive money. Step 2. Sending money with Apple Pay. You can send money directly from the Messages app. Here's how. 1. Open a conversation in Messages. 2. Tap the Apple Pay button. You might need to tap the App Store icon first. 3. Enter the amount you want to send. 4. Tap Pay, then Send. 5. Confirm the payment using Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. That's it. The money goes straight to the recipient's Apple Cash balance. Pro tip: you can also ask Siri to send money. Just say something like, "Hey Siri, send $20 to Emma using Apple Pay." Step 3. Receiving money. When someone sends you money via Apple Pay, you'll get a notification in Messages. The funds are deposited into your Apple Cash card, which appears in the Wallet app. You can keep the money in Apple Cash and use it for purchases, or transfer it to your bank account. Transfers to your bank are free but take 1-3 business days. If you need the money immediately, Apple offers instant transfer to a debit card for a small fee, usually around 1.5%. Where can you use Apple Pay money? You can spend your Apple Cash anywhere. Apple Pay is accepted both online and in stores. It's just like using your debit card. And if you have an Apple Card, your Apple Cash balance can be used to pay down your credit card balance. Is Apple Pay safe? Apple Pay is built with security in mind. Your card number is never shared. Payments are authenticated with Face ID or Touch ID. Each transaction uses a unique dynamic code. Plus, since it all happens on your phone, there's no need to carry cash or swipe a card. Just remember, only send money to people you know. Apple Pay doesn't offer buyer protection for peer-to-peer transfers. Final thoughts. Apple Pay makes sending and receiving money fast, simple, and secure, all from your iPhone. It's built into your device. It works seamlessly through Messages, and it integrates with your existing cards and bank. If you're already in the Apple ecosystem, Apple Pay is one of the easiest ways to move money on the go. If this video helped you understand how Apple Pay transfers work, give it a like and drop a comment. Have you used Apple Cash before? How was your experience? Let's help others learn the smart way to pay.